Hey guys, and it's finally time to take a look at the Motorola Z4 Play. So yeah, quick summary on the Moto Z series. It's all about creating a smartphone that supports modules known as Moto modes. And you can actually attach them to your Moto Z smartphone, enhancing your hardware. So Motorola said that the 2016, 2017 and 2018 Moto Z phones all are going to support the same modules. The good news is now it looks like the 4th generation Moto Z4 Play at least is also going to join the party. Yeah, it's going to support the same old modules. And that's something really impressive, cause if you own a Moto Z Play like me, you can use your old modes like style shell, camera and battery on the Z4 Play. Of course, if you are going to upgrade from the Z Play to Z4 Play, it is also going to feature the huge upgrade both in terms of design and hardware. First off, you are getting a water drop notch, which of course looks better than any iPhone 10 notches, and they are not using the camera hole, at least in the Z4 Play, cause that's going to increase the cost. Check the Motorola P40 if you are really interested in the camera hole design. The design looks really nice and there is no fingerprint sensor on front or side, and that means it may feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. A move towards the futuristic tech, really nice. Next up, the traditional rear design. Get the same camera design with rear single sensor, 16 magnetic pins. Yeah, nothing new here. The best part is you are still getting a headphone jack and USB-C port, something impressive. As at this point in 2019, every brand is going to remove the headphone jack, so Motorola is still keeping it, something nice. And the overall design is definitely an upgrade over the previous 18:9 Moto Z3 Play, which never made it to India and several other markets. I hope the Z4 Play gets available here. And 6.2 inches of panel with 19:9 ratio looks really nice. Chin is also really small. There is no information on the internal hardware. Assume the Z4 Play to feature a Snapdragon 710 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, starting 64 gigs of internal storage, and at last the impressive aggressive pricing, at least 4000 or 5000 mAh of battery I need. I want to know your thoughts about the Moto Z4 Play. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.
Do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny.